You want to talk to your friends with the highest possible sound quality? Fed up with relying on other program services? Guess then Teamspeak will still be the perfect solution for you. ZAP-Hosting provides you with the Sonar DDoS protection and a perfect base for your Tier 3 or Tier 5 clients. Our hardware is constantly monitored and upgraded to ensure the best possible server for your needs. We manage to minimize the server-side package losses and can supply you with the fitting TS music bot for your new product. Head over to our website and start designing your new server. As soon as your decision is made, use the code RES50 to reduce the cost by 50%. After you have chosen your preferred payment method, our system will instantly start to set up your server. This might take a few seconds, so let's take a look at your new ZAP web interface. Here you will not only find a list of all your products, but also have access to all your orders and earnings. Yeah, you heard right, earnings. Each of our customers is able to create his own links to our products. And as soon as orders are placed via this link, the creator receives a small part of the revenue. But this is not the only way to finance your server. You also have the possibility to create your own donation goals, which you can fill and reach together with your friends or your community. So, in the meantime, you should be able to find your TS in your web interface. From here you have full access to all functions. Not only can you change the name and the password, set the options for automatic bans, you can even set options against common flooding attacks. You also have the token generator to generate privilege keys, so you can share these keys with your friends. Do you need a detailed list of all the guests that have visited your server? No problem. Thanks to the User tab, you know who's active on your server, even when you are AFK. Well, 37438 is not the best IP for your server, so quickly go to the TS DNS tab and generate a better sounding address in seconds. Well, that's it. Now you have all the tools to generate the perfect server for your needs. And if there are any questions left, we have a tab on the left with regularly asked questions. And if this tab won't answer your question, our live chat is available around the clock.